Hi, I'm Grace from London, and I'm so excited to share with you guys the new Majirel. So today I'm going to be showcasing the brand new Cool Inforced Majirel shades on my lovely model Sarah. So we are working with a little bit of pre-existing balayage on a base 7. So the idea with the technique is that we're going to be blending a 7.1 into a 10.1 to create a seamless blend of a cool metallic shade. So what we want to do first is get our baby lights in. So we're using micro fine weaves to create softness around the hairline, and we're going to work by back-to-back foiling throughout the hairline. Starting with the lowest point through to the back of the ear where the recession is. And we're simply just going to repeat with our baby fine weaves back to back. For step 2, we're simply going to go in with our 7.1 Majirel Cool Inforced shade and apply a simple hot cross bun, sectioning, starting from the front, working our way to the nape. It's really important when we apply this product that we keep a real sweeping motion to keep everything blended. So once we've finished applying the root application colour, we're just going to go in round the hairline and smudge that colour down to shadow at the root. So now we're ready for step 3. And this is all about creating a seamless blend with the two shades. So we're working our root shade of the 7.1, melting it into our 10.1 to create this seamless blend of colour. And this is how I play with Majirel.